In this video, I'm going to show you what Rhino ramps are. So these are Rhino ramps. Awesome product. They're a great alternative to jacking up your vehicle and putting jack stands underneath it. I got these on Amazon for about $75. Sometimes they're on sale though for about $60. And there's various kinds you can get in different off-brands that might be even cheaper in the $30 or $40 range. But this Rhino ramp it's a plastic hard shell that you drive up on effectively, and it just elevates the vehicle's engine bay and front part of the engine so that you can work underneath it, change the oil and transmission fluid, things like that. Just want to take a moment to show the construction of it. It's really hard plastic, can hold the weight of vehicles, of course. The underneath part of it are these different shapes to help absorb the weight and distribute it evenly. I have not had one of these fail, although I haven't had these for very long, but I have had a consistent experience with them over the last year. So they're very easy to use. You just need to line them up to your tires. So there you go. I got these lined up evenly, and they're in the direct path of driving straight by a couple feet. So I'll go ahead and do that. This is a lower profile car, and on top of that, this tire is pretty flat, so it makes it even lower. So I'm just gonna kind of go up with force pretty quickly, not slowly, because I don't want to scoot this out. So keep that in mind if you have a low profile vehicle and you're using these. Okay, just drove up. It really is that easy. There's kind of a divot right here so that it kind of, when you're driving up, you feel it slope down, and then you have a backstop right here which prevents you from rolling forward too easily. You do have to kind of edge it up real kind of slow and easy. Don't go too hard, or of course you'll just roll right over it. That might cause other problems. Looks like I kind of overshot a little bit, or misaligned on this side by an inch, but that's okay. Most of the weight is on the ramp, so we're good. Now, one more thing I want to point out, obviously, if you are working on your tires, brakes, your hubs, your bearing, you can't use this product because the weight is, on the tire on the ramp. You do need to have a jack with a jack stand to lift it and hold the vehicle by the frame. This product is really good for oil changes and transmission fluid changes, or anytime you need to work on the engine bay itself, but not the tire. So, it's obvious, but I just wanted to point that out. It's kind of a fluke that I have a flatter tire. I'm going to work on something else, and then I'm going to handle this after the video at Discount Tire. I think we just need a patch. We ran over a nail. But yeah, the purpose of this product is not to help with tires, of course. All right, it's that simple. Easy to use and very safe. Go ahead and pull that emergency brake, put it in park, and you can work on your car.